today's vlog, we went for a walk for the first time this year. Well, we went for a bike ride slash walk. Got my bike. Your bike's a little squeaky.
Yep. No, where did they go? They went off to the side a bit. I thought it was too could go that way.
Yeah. Nature walking. We're nature biking. First bike ride of the year. Definitely toughed it out. I'm gonna take a break. I'm not as young as I used to be, and I'm out of shape. Jamie is younger than me, so he can keep going. I'll catch up. So I decided to walk my bike for a bit. This is more exercise than I'm used to right now because winter sucks. You're cooped up inside. My son Jamie and I are going for a quick bike ride. His favorite part is the hill to go down to our house. He said he wants to get back home so he can go down the hill. So, working our way that way. I need to get back in shape and lose some weight Part of growing up, I guess. Today's vlog, we went for a walk for the first time this year. Well, we went for a bike ride slash walk. Got my bike. I'm definitely gonna do this more to get back in shape. Jamie's way up there, but he'll wait for me at the end of the trail. Jamie, my son, he's 13. I like it when he does stuff with me. He's not as young as he used to be, so he doesn't like his mama as much. You know, he still loves me. He just does his own thing. The Vermont side has rocks all on it, but the New York side just was dirt. It's an old train station. This is D&H Rail Trail. Almost caught up.